We will also check the condition of the slide pins. You may see that they can be tight after, if you haven't serviced brakes for a while, they can become tight, and that's why we will replace the silicone inside. So for this you have to pull them out like this, hold the boot and pull out the pin. This is how it looks. You will need to clean off old silicone and we will apply a new one. This silicone is specifically designed for the slide pins. If you guys need it, I will leave a link in the description. Gently spread it out around the pin. Small amount is enough, otherwise it will be coming out. And now you can reinsert it back. Now the movement is not restricted and it will work perfectly. And also guys, of course, you need to check the condition of these boots. Make sure there are no cracks and no silicone coming out either. This is the second one. We will repeat the process. Clean it first. Apply new silicone, and you will also see that the pins are slightly different. The bottom one has this plastic ring on the end. Don't mix them up when you remove and install them. And this is how they're supposed to move after you finish. The movement should not be restricted.